Up to the year of 2005, the legal alternatives for the financial restructuring of the companies were little efficient, practically limited to composition with creditors. Idealized for another economic and social reality, not contemplating the dynamism of nowadays business, the composition with creditors were specially used at our hyperinflationary scenario. Inspired at chapters 11 and 7 of the United States laws, in 2005 the new Receivership Out-of-Court Reorganization and Bankruptcy Law, Law number 11101/2005, arose, bringing a series of innovations to the restructuring of debts. From the first experiences, numberless forms of compositions, all not existing at the composition with creditors, confirmed the hit of the new laws. The experiences accumulated since 2005 would show to be reduced from the crisis scenario of 2008. Only from that moment we can say that the new law has gone through its real ultimate test. From 2008, a series of matters created doubts on the receivership and started to be pacified by the judicial branch, turning the tool more predictable and reliable. So, we have reached 2015. Where the national economic and political crisis scenario placed the receivership and out-of-court reorganization as definite alternatives to make feasible the continuity of several types of operations. Many of the main fears of the entrepreneurs were already overcome. Nevertheless, a responsible legal advisory is still showing to be indispensable. Bringing 180 days of protection to the company in difficulties, the receivership made feasible enough air, so in up to 60 days, a plan showing the way for overcoming the economic financial crisis experienced by the company could be created. The advance on the judgments on the matter, in addition to a working plan contemplating the defense of the co-liable, preparation of diagnosis with possible scenarios, pointing at risks and advantages of each of them, caused the predictability required so the entrepreneur may consider the use of the receivership or out-of-court reorganization in order to give continuity to its business. Our experience, added to a constant monitoring on the matters still awaiting pacification of the judicial branch, give us tranquility to using our best efforts to link up the expectations of the businessman to what can be expected at a restructuring process. Everything grounded on ethics and partnership with our customers. We are ready to involve in the approach of several matters involving this important decision-making together with the company and its advisors.